A home is a perfect canvas to create your own masterpiece. For the last 2 years, we have learned to love our homes and make it special and unique. We are gonna be excited to see how you can evolve your home even further when it comes to interior design and upgrades. You know, we need to see the home as a special place, and what better way to get some ideas and inspiration than to come here in Wilcon Depot. Our dragon lady, the one that's the force behind Wilcon Depot, Miss Rose Ong. So wonderful to be
Hi,
here.
Tessa.
So let's talk about the upcoming trends.
This year, we need to recognize that more people are seeking to revolutionize their living spaces, timelessness, and longevity. Let me share with you the new design trends. First is, of course, the French Royale. This is, the design trend that highlights texture and patterns by mixing and matching classic prints and layered figurines. For example, it will create vintage or antique vibe with gorgeous curved wood for stunning visuals and personality of your space.
It had a little bit of classy, yet in a modern sense. They have floral prints that are more contemporary, and it's really a mix that you can combine. And this French Royale, I think, is a really nice fit.
Let's now go to the next trend.
All right.
It's velvet. It's
I
kind of
love
more
velvet.
feminine also, right? It exclaims a lavish take of textured fabrics. It's really very cozy fabric that can make your space look amazingly chic and of course luxurious, no? So you have to fill up your homes with furnitures that exudes a soft, fine textured fabric.
I think velvet really represents luxury, yet it's also very comfortable. It's luxury that you can feel.
So we have the extra minimalism.
Okay, that's not me. But okay, what is it?
Okay, there's this famous slogan, less is more,
Yes.
that describes minimalism. No? This concept focuses on two primary factors. No? One is simplicity and purity. It is perfectly styled with a balance of elegance and, of course, the preservation of space.
Yes.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm not a fan of minimalist, but I get the sort of Marie Kondo wherein everything is in its right place.
The key to achieving the right minimalist look for your home is in choosing the tone and, of course, visual aesthetic and a sense of spaciousness to your area. Okay, the next one is retro.
Oh, I love
the
retro.
70s theme, okay? So when we talk of retro, I think it's about 70s, that vibrancy of colors, and of course, the fluidity of shapes that, it continues to live on.
Yes, amazing.
And of course, this is very exciting, the funky, technicolor, and eclectic, hippie style that evokes a fun and positive ambience undoubtedly offer a 2 thumbs up in every homeowner's perspective. No? So the retro style is also a unique way of designing a home through layering different patterns and textures. It allows you to be bold while saving your home's character and integrity. So it's really the boldness of the color and everything.
It creates energy. For me, every home needs to have a continuous flow of energy.
The cottagecore is more on the rural lifestyle. No? So as a result, the cottagecore offers more character as well as a homier feel. So if you're aiming for a cozy yet elegant look, the cottagecore interior is an excellent pick for your home. During the past 2 years, people really look for something refreshing to look at, even at home.
Right.
So it is natural for you to upgrade your space and avoid that overwhelming feeling.
That's why there's an emergence of what do you call it? Plantitos and plantitas.
And plantitos and plantitas, no? So when we decorate, diba, with nature-inspired elements, you still have to look into that visual appeal, no? That will give your space. It will help you with all those greenery elements that has to stand out, no?
Right. Having that sort of greenery into the setup is always nice and fresh feeling, Even if you can, ideally have a lot of plants, but you have very nice silk orchids they look so real anyway. So it's nice to have that 24/7 in your home. You know, it's nice that,
Yeah,
you know.
and it's less maintenance.
Yes, exactly, exactly.
Yeah.
Home interior design trends are proving to be Instagram worthy, and you'll surely want to replicate these in your home. No matter what style you appreciate or whatever makes you happy, your home is a perfect canvas to create your own setting or masterpiece.